Hello po sa lahat and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my updated and automated school form 4 or the monthly learners movement and attendance. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be updated to all of the educational videos that I will be uploading here. This is the example of school form 4. And in the new normal, based on the Deped Memorandum number 14 series of 2021, we will not be using anymore the word dropout. Instead, we are going to change it to no longer participating in learning activities. For us class advisor like me, we will not be doing this school form 4, but we have to make our school form 2 so that the person in charge or the school principal will be able to put all the necessary information needed in this form, like the grade level, the section, the name of advisor, the registered learner as of the end of the month, the attendance, the daily average percentage for the month, the number of pupils that are no longer participating in learning activities, the transferred out, and the transferred in. This school form 4 is fully automated, that every time you put data on the uncolored cells, it will do the automatic calculations. Say for example, the total registered learner as of the end of the month is the sum of the total registered male and the total registered female as of the end of the month. For the daily average, it is also the total of daily average male and the daily average female. For the percentage of attendance for the month, it is the sum of the daily average divided by the registered learner as of the end of the month times 1. For the NLPA, the transferred out and transferred in, mayroon na din itong formula. These colored cells, mayroon na siyang formula that every time you put data here, it will automatically do the calculation. So let's try. Let's have this section, ang palaya, ang bitter. So teacher Nan-Galupo. Okay, teacher Nan. Okay, sorry, teacher Nan-Galupo. So let's try if it works. The registered learners of the end of the month for teacher Nan is 20 ang male, 21 naman ang female. For the daily average attendance, walang absent, so 20 and 21 din siya. So as you can see, nagka-calculate siya. For the cumulative as of previous month, kung wala naman, 0 lang, wala, 0. Wala, 0. This one, you also put 0 kung wala. This one here, kung wala, you put 0. And let's have this one, section sitaw. So, Bacchus, teacher Bacchus. Okay. Say for example, registered learners of the end of the month, mayroon siyang 18 sa male. For female, mayroon siyang 23. And for the daily average, let's try to assume mayroon siyang 17 for male. For female, perfect. So 23. And NLPA, so previous month, wala. So let's try 0. So let's assume wala. Wala din siya. For the month, NLPA, for male, let's assume meron siyang isa. For female, wala. So as you can see, nagka-calculate siya. So for transferred out, so wala naman, wala rin siya, wala. As well as this one, so transferred in, wala din siya. So as you can see, Mag-i-input ka na lang ng data and then it will automatically do the calculations. So let's try to go down. Let's try going down. Okay. Grade 2. So meron na din yan. Naka-formula na din ito. Grade 5 as well as grade 6. So this is the total. Elementary total kinder. So this is the sum of all kinder male. This is the sum of all kinder female. For this one, grade 1 the same. Sum of all grade 1. Grade 2, sum of all grade 2. Sum of all grade 3. Grade 4. Grade 5. And the sum of all grade 6. And this one, this is the total number of enrollees in your school. Total number of enrollees in your school. So, automatic yang magka-calculate kasi mayroon na din yang formula. For this one here, previous month's mortality death, kung wala naman, 0. For the month, kung wala naman, 0. And for the cumulative as of the end of the month, kung wala ay 0 na din yan. So, prepared by and submitted by, or prepared and submitted by, signature of school head over printed name. That's it. Should you wish to have a copy of this, ay ilalagay ko na lang ang download link sa description box. Thank you for watching. See you again in our next video.